Hi there, my name is Flavio and welcome back to Dream at Models. Today I'm going to show you how I created Kyuubi from the anime Naruto. When I was thinking of modeling this character, I was looking up some models on the internet and surprisingly I didn't find any models at all about this character. And I found it a little bit weird since this character is very popular. So I decided to create one of my own and go through with it. As I always do in my videos, I'm going to show you how much it costs to print a model like this one and how much filament I use. So later, if you decide to print this model, you have this information. And in this video, I'm going to show you the entire process from the conception to having it in the palm of your hand. So now let's see how I created this model. Regarding the printing process, I had some issues while printing this model, especially on the tails, since they aren't really put together on the main body. I had to use a lot of supports to print them. I decided to divide this model in 3 parts. So I think the best solution to print this model is, depending on the size that you want to print this model, of course, I think the best option that I found out was to divide the main body and then print the tails after. Anyway, I'm going to leave the full body of the model, and I'm going to leave you as well in the download link the part where the model is divided in 3 parts. It's up to you if you want to print a little model or you want to print a larger one. And now let's see how I printed and painted this model. And there you go, the whole process of creating Kyuubi from Naruto. I'm really happy on this model turnout, especially the face that he has, showing some anger and is going to attack. And now you have some Kyuubi model from Naruto to display on your shelf. Now let's get with the stats. This model is 17 centimeters high, is 24 centimeters in length, and weighs around 84 grams. And took overall to print 8 hours. The filament I used was the SUNLU PLA Plus that costs 20 euros for 1 kilo, so overall to print a model like this one with the same dimension it costs only €1.68. As always, I'm going to leave the download link on the description, so later if you want this model you can download it. Please subscribe and like this video to keep up to date with my models and support this channel. Thank you for watching, and remember, dream on!